Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're basically gonna see if AI can make me a new logo, like profile picture for my YouTube channel, and we'll see if it's gonna be as good as what I can come up with. So it's technically like, AI versus human designer, I guess. So let's get into it. First, let me ask ChatGPT to tell me, give me some ideas, like prompts or something. Okay, so now we just wait for its answer and we'll see what it cooks up here. Okay, so which one am I gonna go with? I guess I'm gonna try both prompts, I guess. Now, let me copy that. For this specific one, I'm gonna be using Google Flow, which is by far my favorite image and video generator. It's free and it gives like 50 credits for videos. Okay, so I'm gonna paste that one in there. I personally turn off this agent mode here, and if you want to change the sizing, you put it to image. And for a logo, of course, we're gonna be using 1:1. And yeah, as you can see, 0 credits used. But if I were to choose video, you see 15 credits for an 8-second one. Like you use credits for this one, and they have different I guess types of video generators. They have VO 3.1, light, fast, quality. But for today, as you guys know, we're making a logo, so that's what we're gonna do. Place that one in. Then I'm gonna go take that other prompt that ChatGPT gave me for like a Mr. Beast style, I guess. I don't know. This is what it cooks up. Okay, now we just wait. Okay, so that's the first logo we can see. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. I do not know how I feel about this, guys. Oh my god. Let's wait for the other one. Oh, okay. They're quite bold. That's one thing. I mean, I like the background in this one. Like, I like how it's designed and everything. I'm not good at design, so I don't know. But yeah, kinda looks good. That's what I can say. Would I use it though? I don't know about that though. But because I like this one more, I'ma just download this one. So when it comes to download, you can either download the original one, and it downloads almost instantly. As you can see, it's already downloading out there, so download it. Or you can upscale it to 2K, but you can also upscale it to 4K, but I can't because I'm using the free version. Let's go and upscale it. Yeah, there we go. It's upscaling the image right there. Then it's gonna download as soon as it's done upscaling. So now I guess I have to design my own one. I have very bad design skills, but we'll see what I can do. I mean, it can't be that hard. I might use Canva once in a while, so let's see. Because I'm not sure how this works. I can't find a 1:1. I say I'm not a designer, so this is kinda confusing. I guess I'll just go with this 4:5. I mean, it's like basically the same thing, right? Like, yeah, I might just use that one. So like the vibe I'm trying to go for is I was waiting to be done with those AI ones so I can get like an idea, because then again I'm not a good designer. So since my content is gonna be about tech and like motorsports and like, you know, those type of stuff, I think I'm gonna keep the black and red theme, because yeah, but I don't know what image to use. Should I just use that same helmet concept? Okay, so this is definitely not the same size as that. Alright, can I resize this? Let's see. Can I like write 1:1? No, we do not have that. Bro. How do I put a custom size, bro? I don't get this. You know, we're just gonna work with that. Like, I don't get this. So let's just put the colors right there. I'll put a black background. I'm gonna find. Okay, so they got this. They're almost all of them. Well, it's kind of matching what we go with ChatGPT. Anyways, the ones that are free are like terrible. Nah, bro. What is this? I guess this is the nicest one so far. So I'm gonna grab that. Change the color. Yeah. Okay, so like I'm gonna change this part into red. Yeah. Then wherever this color is into blue, I guess. I think blue would look cool. Yeah, I think I like this. I'll put it as a pure white. Is that too much or is that better? The other one. I think this one's better. I'll just leave that. Is this black or whatever? Yeah, I'm kind of liking this. Wait. I think I can put like the whole design we saw here, where like the same thing repeats by the back. I wonder if I can like recreate that somehow. I don't know, I don't think so, but we can try. We'll try downloading that. Now we just take that downloaded one, put it on top, where I think you can keep those circle thingies where I can like drag in my other clip. Wait. Yeah, the frames. Wi-Fi kinda laggy, bro. Now just drag that in the frame. What is that background? Okay, I don't know what I was thinking, because this looks painful to watch. Maybe I should just leave it like that. I don't know what to do at this point. Do I blur this? Can I blur it? I don't think I can. Oh, I can make it transparent. Nope, that does not look good. You know what? I quit. I give up. AI wins the challenge. I don't see myself using that as my profile picture, but it is 100% better than whoever this is. So for this challenge, ChatGPT and Google Flow won, so AI won. If there is any professional designer watching this right now, or like someone who knows Canva better than me, please drop a comment explaining how to use this thing, because I didn't think this thing was harder than this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for other videos.